Today, I'm super excited to talk about something that has completely transformed how businesses and customers connect when it comes to health, wellness, and fitness. It's the Mindbody software, and trust me, if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to find the right yoga class, spa treatment, or personal trainer, or if you're a business looking to streamline how you manage clients, this platform is an absolute game changer. Let's break it down. What exactly is Mindbody, and why is it such a game changer? Mindbody is an online platform that connects people looking to improve their health, fitness, and overall wellness with businesses offering related services. Whether you're into yoga, Pilates, meditation, fitness classes, beauty salons, or even spa treatments, Mindbody serves as a one-stop hub to discover, book, and manage all your wellness activities. It's designed to make finding and booking these services seamless and convenient, right from your phone or computer. But here's where it gets even better. Mindbody isn't just a tool for customers. It's also a powerful resource for business owners. If you run a wellness or beauty business, you can use Mindbody to showcase your offerings, manage bookings and client schedules, track customer data, and even analyze trends in your business performance. For example, a yoga studio owner could manage class schedules, allow clients to book spots online, and see which classes are most popular, all from one platform. Mindbody is built to be flexible, catering to a wide variety of users, from individual customers to business owners of all sizes. Whether you're someone searching for the perfect fitness class or a business looking to streamline operations, Mindbody is designed to simplify the process and help you focus on what matters most: wellness. Alright, let's get started on your wellness journey. First, fire up your web browser and head over to mindbodyonline.com. This is your gateway to a massive network of health, fitness, and beauty services tailored to your needs. When you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice how clean and user-friendly the site is. Right at the top, there's a prominent search bar waiting for you to type in what you're looking for. For example, maybe you're in the mood for a yoga class to stretch and relax, or you've had a long week and could really use a massage to unwind. Simply type in the service you need, enter your location, and click search. Mindbody will instantly show you a curated list of options nearby. You'll get details about businesses, including their schedules, pricing, and reviews, so you can make an informed choice. Whether you're planning for a Pilates class next Tuesday or looking for a same-day appointment at a beauty salon, the platform makes it easy to find what you need and book it right away. This search and book process is perfect for busy people who want to spend less time planning and more time focusing on self-care. Let's break down the essentials of what you'll find on the Mindbody homepage so you can make the most of it. At the very top, there's a prominent search bar where you can type in exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's a spin class, meditation session, or even a facial treatment. Add your location, hit search, and Mindbody will give you tailored results near you. It's fast and incredibly easy to use. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find a selection of categories like yoga, Pilates, dance, massage therapy, and even hair salons. This is a fantastic feature because it lets you browse options by interest if you're not sure exactly what you want. For example, if you're in the mood to de-stress, the meditation or wellness categories can guide you toward the perfect session. Deals and promotions. Here's where it gets exciting. If you love a good bargain, you'll love this section. Mindbody highlights promotions, discounts, and special deals for classes or services in your area. Whether it's a new client discount at a local yoga studio or a bundle offer for massage sessions, this section makes it easy to save money while prioritizing your well-being. Trending options. As you explore further, you'll also see trending or popular services in your area. These are a great way to discover what others are loving. Maybe it's a hot yoga class with rave reviews or a salon that's been getting buzz for its premium facials. With these tools, Mindbody not only makes searching simple but also introduces you to new opportunities for self-care you might not have thought of before. Whether you're planning a single visit or a whole week of wellness, this platform has something for everyone. Alright, so you're ready to jump in and find the perfect fitness class. Mindbody makes it super simple to get started. Here's how you can do it step by step. Start by typing in what you're looking for in the search bar. It could be broad, like fitness, or something specific like kickboxing class or Pilates for beginners. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. This step is key. Enter your city or zip code. Let's say you're in Los Angeles. Mindbody will tailor the search results to show you fitness options near you, so you don't waste time scrolling through irrelevant listings. Once the options pop up, it's time to fine-tune. Use the filters to narrow down by date, time, type of activity, or even distance. For example, if you've got a free evening tomorrow, select that time frame, and the results will adjust to show classes that fit your schedule. Here's where Mindbody truly shines. It'll display a curated list of classes, studios, and instructors that match your criteria. You'll see important details like ratings and reviews. See what others have to say about the class or studio. Pricing. Whether it's a drop-in rate or package deal, you'll know up front. Photos. Get a glimpse of the facilities and vibe before you commit. Instructor info. Learn about the trainer or teacher leading the class. Once you find a class that fits your needs, just click Book Now. You'll get instant confirmation, and in many cases, you can even pay directly through the platform, saving you time at the studio. Whether you're looking for a high-energy spin class, a peaceful yoga session, or something unique like aerial fitness, this process makes finding and booking the perfect class a breeze. It's all about convenience and making sure your fitness journey is seamless from start to finish. Alright, you've found the ideal yoga studio offering a beginner's class tomorrow morning. Now, let's get you booked. Here's how it goes. Once you've found the class, click on it. This will open a detailed page that gives you all the info you need. You'll see a description of the class, the instructor's bio, any special notes, like whether you need to bring a mat or wear specific gear, and of course, the pricing. This way, you're fully informed before you commit. Now, choose the time slot that fits your schedule. Maybe you're a morning person, so you opt for the 8 a.m. session. Once you've selected your preferred time, click on the Book Now button. The system will automatically update to show availability. If you're new to Mindbody, don't worry. Setting up an account is quick and simple. You can sign up with your email address or even use your Google or Facebook account for faster access. It's just a few clicks and you're ready to book. After confirming your class details, the next step is payment. Mindbody offers a secure online payment system, so you don't need to stress about your card info. Whether it's a one-time class fee or a package deal, everything will be processed smoothly. You'll receive a confirmation email once the payment is complete. Once the booking is done, you'll get a confirmation message that includes all the details you need, such as the time, date, location, and any special instructions. You can also sync the event directly to your calendar so you don't miss the class. Now all that's left is to get ready for your yoga class. You'll know exactly where to go, what to bring, and who's teaching, which takes the guesswork out of your experience. It's all about making the booking process easy, so you can focus on enjoying your session and improving your well-being. This seamless process is one of the things that makes Mindbody so great. Whether you're booking a one-off class or reserving a series of sessions over time, it's all designed to fit smoothly into your busy life. Alright, so maybe you're a little particular about where and what you want to book. Don't worry, that's totally understandable. Mindbody has some fantastic filters that allow you to customize your search, ensuring that you get exactly what you're looking for. Here's how you can fine-tune your search. If you're trying to keep it local, you can set a distance filter to show you only businesses within a specific radius. Whether you want a class that's within 5 miles of your location or you don't mind traveling a bit further, adjusting this filter makes sure you only see options that fit your location preference. Mindbody lets you focus your search by activity type, so if you're only in the mood for something like Pilates or cycling, you don't have to sift through yoga or other unrelated services. Choose from categories like yoga, Pilates, dance, cycling, and more, and you'll get a curated list of just what you're interested in. Want to make sure you're booking with a top-rated studio or instructor? You can use the ratings filter to show only businesses with the highest reviews. This is a great way to ensure you're getting quality services and that other users have had a positive experience. Budget conscious? Mindbody allows you to filter by price, so if you're looking for a class that fits a specific price range, you can adjust the filter accordingly. This is super helpful if you're trying to stick to a budget, as it ensures you're not browsing through classes that are too expensive for what you're willing to spend. Whether you're looking for a bargain or willing to splurge for a premium experience, this filter gives you control. Let's say you only have time during specific hours, maybe only early mornings or late evenings. The time filter can help you pinpoint classes that fit exactly within your schedule. From weekends to weekday evenings, you can browse options that work best for you. With these options, you're not just getting a generic list of fitness and wellness services, you're finding the ones that match your specific preferences, whether it's by location, type of activity, ratings, or budget. This level of customization is what really sets Mindbody apart from other booking platforms. It puts control in your hands, ensuring you get the experience that best suits your needs and lifestyle. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about wellness, because we all deserve a little relaxation and rejuvenation too, right? Whether you're in the mood for a soothing massage, a spa day, or a therapeutic body treatment, Mindbody has got you covered. Here's how you can explore wellness services. On the homepage, you'll notice a dedicated wellness section where you can browse a variety of services. Whether you're looking for massages, acupuncture, or beauty treatments, you can quickly narrow down your options and find exactly what you need. Let's say you're in the mood for a specific type of treatment, like a hot stone massage or aromatherapy. Simply type it into the search bar, and Mindbody will display all the services offering that particular treatment. You can also search for more specific options like deep tissue massage, facials, or body wraps, whatever will help you unwind and de-stress. Just like with fitness classes, you can view details, read reviews, and book directly from the platform. Let's not forget about beauty. If you're someone who loves pampering yourself with haircuts, facials, or spa treatments, Mindbody has you covered. The process is pretty much the same: search, browse, and book. But here's what's unique. You can see exactly what's included in a service. For example, a facial might list all the treatments you'll get during the session. Some beauty salons offer packages, like a haircut plus color combo or spa day bundles. Now, everything I've talked about so far is available on the website. But let's be real, we're all glued to our phones. That's where the Mindbody app comes in. The app makes everything even easier because you can book classes or appointments anytime, anywhere, making it super convenient. You'll also receive real-time updates, so you'll be notified about upcoming bookings or last-minute deals. Plus, you can save your favorite studios and salons for quick access whenever you need them. If you're a business owner, Mindbody is more than just a booking platform. It's a complete management tool. You can list your services to showcase your classes, treatments, or sessions to a broader audience. It also helps you manage bookings, track appointments, cancellations, and reschedules all in one place. Additionally, you can analyze performance with built-in analytics to identify what's working well and where improvements can be made.